Hello, everyone. I just wanted to take a moment and show you my fall tree and give you some ideas on some great decorating choices. This is my first fall tree that I've ever done, actually. So I'll go through and just give you a quick little overview. So, tell you where maybe I got some stuff. Let me just give you a nice little tour here. So cute, that little guy, huh? Okay, so to start with, what I did was I went to Amazon. I made this tree very affordable. And I got a black tree, which is the first time I ever did a black tree. And I even got it off the used like new. So the tree itself, a black tree, was like $20. Can't beat that, right? And this is something I saw new this year. These like little shelves that you put at the top of the tree and you just tie it into the stem. And oh, I love it. And I got those from Amazon. So yeah, I love those little shelves. What a game changer, huh? Okay, so the lights. Now you could do all colors, whatever you like, orange, but I used the white twinkle lights because that's what I had on hand. So these mushrooms, which I totally love, how adorable, right? Hobby Lobby. Okay, just picked them up like 2 weeks ago. So they had plenty of them. And then these little guys right here, same thing, Hobby Lobby. And they were having, about 40% off fall stuff. Okay, and then all of these berries, I just got this year too off Amazon. And I got them in bulk for like a big box for like $20. And then when they come in, I actually wipe them down with a hot, soft cloth with hot water, just to give it that, some of the light, the dark. So I wiped it down with that to give it more realistic look. And oh, these are my favorite right here. And I got them this year again, and how realistic, right? Yeah, so that's a stream, and I got them also from Amazon. And these were on clearance. These leaves were on clearance from Hobby Lobby. And these bows, Amazon this year. And this here, I got from Hobby Lobby for just, I don't know, $6 or something. But this is like a little, see it's like the wreath thing here. Like you would hang it on that's my cat in the tree. Yeah, nice. So that's like on a ring at Hobby Lobby. Probably in the Christmas section with the little crab apples or, let's see. Let's keep going. These velvet bows, yeah, they were on, again, yeah, that's on the ring. So they come with that whole ring thing there. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Hey, can you just chill out here for a minute? Thank you very much. Okay, so here's a little squirrel, Hobby Lobby. Love. And these picks, I think the Dollar Tree. Hello, little one. Say hi, Jax. And yeah, I put 2 different kind of leaf in here too. These I just happen to have on hand from last year. But you know, you can get them anywhere. Here's another ring. Like I was telling you, I love them. Hobby Lobby. And let's see. These baskets, which I just stuck in the tree, I think I got, they're like paper plate holders, I think. Something like that. Anyway, I picked it up at the thrift shop. And there's 3 of them that I just stuck around the tree. And just, there's nothing holding it in. I just slid it into the tree. See? I just happen to have them on hand. So, and then this here was at Home Goods. I think I got that maybe a year or 2 ago. And these here were at Home Goods. So, and then these little pine cones came from the same place that, here's my table centerpiece. And all that was is a bag of pulpery. And these little trees, Hobby Lobby, in the houses. Yeah, I just poured a bag of pulpery in there. And that's where those came from, and the little pine cones. So, these berries, I got these here, these holly berries. Those are also from Amazon from this year. Yeah. But I do love these bows. How nice is that? Okay, so let me give you one more final look. And let me show you what it looks like with the lighting off. So at night, you could see how pretty this is. Yeah. So, yeah. You know, I think I really love how it came out. And, you know, for a $20 used tree from Amazon, I think it came out pretty nice. So I hope you got some good ideas from this. And enjoy your fall season. Thanks for spending time. Bye.